I'm Dr. Kapil Rathi, MD Medicine. I'm a consulting physician and a diabetologist practicing in Andheri area. I just want to give this message to all the fellow and all the patients who are suffering from diabetes, how to manage diabetes in this COVID pandemic, which is going around it is going bizarre. So take care of your diabetes very well, because this is a time where a lot of people must be facing problem to control their sugar, and they are really find difficult to get an appointment with doctor sometimes, or to get some medicines at the proper time. So try to maintain your sugars properly. Try to do a lot of blood sugar testing at your home. Try to monitor it very well, because diabetes is a very important disease in this COVID pandemic. We have seen a lot of people who are suffering from diabetes are at higher risk of getting this disease. In fact, they don't do much well once they attend this kind of disease like COVID. So being an autoimmune disorder, so a lot of immunity which is there, it is down in the diabetes people. So this patient can go little bad as far as the disease goes. Secondary, respiratory distress can put diabetic people into a lot of respiratory problem, which is the main area of this COVID patient. They go very soon into the pneumonia and so-called, respiratory arrest and other problems. And what you can do is basically is you have to basically do your exercise, do your yoga, do your all the things, count on your food, eat proper food, do your exercise properly, maintain the positivity which is there with you, try to do some kind of yoga asanas so that you keep yourself fit because in this time, and try to have your meals very properly, try to have your medicines very properly, keep your mindset positive, don't think too negative, and that is what is required. Try to control your sugars, because that is at least what you can do as a diabetic patient, so that you don't counter. Now, obviously, all other guidelines which are there to have the social distancing, to maintain proper distance among your other family members. To what you have to do is basically maintain or do proper cough etiquettes. Whenever there are some symptoms of any cough, cold, fever, or any other respiratory problem, just see your doctor immediately. Don't try to hide your problems or your symptoms so that later they become very severe and unnecessary. You will be affected, and all other person who are with you can also be affected. So my message to all the patients out there and all other people who are also non-diabetic is that in this point in time, first and most important is to stay at home, be safe, practice your hand hygiene properly, practice your other things what have been told by government and also told by your doctor to do. As a diabetic, maintain sugar properly, eat proper diet, do your exercise, do your yogas, keep your mind fresh, keep your positivity going, and last but not the least, always, whenever there are some kind of problem, some symptoms, irrespective of your diabetes or any other medical illness, report to your doctor immediately and get yourself